Hi guys, welcome to LifeHackIT. Today we're gonna have a lot of fun using hot glue. I needed a relaxing day. This is not to improve your life, just to make it a lot of fun. So subscribe and let's go. Clearly didn't work for me. I've seen this hack work, and I've actually think if I would have put the pattern before, then the cling on top, put some oil, make the pattern really thick and more interconnected, I think it would have worked better. You try it? Let me know. I love walking without shoes, and I tend to walk with my socks, which could make it really dangerous, can be kind of slippery. So I bought black socks so they don't show the dirt. And in order to not fall, I'm gonna use the hot glue gun. Now be careful because it gets really warm and you don't wanna burn your hands. So what you may wanna do is flatten it a little bit and then get creative. Have some fun making patterns. The important part is that you have enough so that you don't fall. That's the bigger trick. And then just get oh, don't do what I just did. I kind of burned a little bit, maybe a lot, but don't do that. So just Keep going. If you get burned, then ice that, which I will. But have fun. Don't burn yourself, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you had a lot of fun doing all these DIYs and crafts with me. And if you're like me and like to do a lot of crafts and make as many mistakes as I do, then you probably recycle and reuse all kinds of fun materials and stuff. And for those of you who live near the beach, you probably realize that many of those recycled materials do not make it to the trash. They may actually end up at the beach. And we all have seen the pictures and the stories about animals who end up ingesting those rings or who end up growing around those rings, like turtles and things like that. And that's definitely not a fun way to live at all. But what most people don't realize is there are actually a lot of animals that are bottom feeders. They are like vacuums. They eat everything they see, whether it's a license plate, a light bulb, many things that fill up their stomachs. And the problem is their stomachs are so full, they're unable to eat what they need in order to survive. Until next time, thank you for watching.